Well, there are quite a number, but I would say that we've come to the end of the post-2008 crisis. I would say a lot of lessons were learned. I am personally a big supporter and fan of the European Banking Union. I think that that was one of the best things that came from the crisis, although it's not complete yet. And so this is one trend, is completing the banking union. And if I go quickly into that, we have a credible supervisor, but still we do not have full freedom of capital and liquidity across the Eurozone. So this needs to be completed. Secondly, we have a single resolution board so we have the orderly wind down of banks arranged, and we have cut the tie between sovereign and bank. Nevertheless, there are still some flaws in the resolution fund. For instance, there is a natural tendency for when people save that the contribution to the fund becomes higher. And during COVID, we have seen that this money should be available for the economy. So that's also something to work. And the third part, the so-called EDIS, the European DGS, Deposit Guarantee Scheme. There is still the political question between risk reduction by the South versus burden sharing, what the South would like. And I would say I'm sorry that there is a lack of movement there. So that's trend one. Basel, the banking package, is almost implemented. And during COVID, we've seen that the European banking sector is resilient. But the real trends and the real difficulty is, of course, in how to make it profitable, because there are many banks in Europe. And the two trends that, of course, follow us very, very much is first is indeed the ability to get the cost of capital lower and to use capital markets better in the European Union.